Hi, welcome to Money Making Charts. Today we are going to present the latest market update. But before I do that, let me give you an overview of what Money Making Charts is all about. My name is Jeff. I'm a 30-year veteran trader and researcher. Over the years, I have taken the elliptical cycle phenomenon hinted at by W.D. Gann and George Bayer to an entirely new level. I won't spend time expanding on this since you have come here to view the latest market update, but if you go to moneymakingcharts.com, you can see examples of money making charts and how they can help traders dramatically improve trading performance. The good news is you can try money making charts for 30 days absolutely free. And if you like what you see, for a limited period, we've reduced monthly subscriptions by 50%, now only $29.50 monthly. Thanks for listening. Now the latest money making chart. Today we're going to look at coffee. Now coffee has been in very strong bull cycles. We can see from the angle of trend on these cycle lines the extent of the trend, and we'd had a very big run up for coffee, and here we can see it falling back. And at this point here we had a signal to go long. Now that was because of this particular symbol here, which indicated a pivot, and we'd had such a steep fall, together with the fact that we were very close to these very strong support lines, the side of the cycle walls. So we are long, and one other factor we were looking at was this here, which is a very strong attraction point. So we felt that from this point here, coffee would run up to meet this point. Now, on this short fall, we didn't really need to cover our longs because we had these very strong support lines, and that proved to be correct. We can see even the intraday lows bounced off this support line here, and we are currently at this point as of yesterday, so it looks like we're going to hit this level here, and that will be a point to cover our long somewhere in this area. This line here is a very important line. We would not be surprised to see intraday price hit that line, but you can't always guarantee that that's going to be the case, so you want to be covering somewhere in this region here. Just depends whether you're an intraday trader or an end of day trader as to how you manage the exit of the long position. Okay, thanks for listening. That's all for today. I add a new update most days showing market situations that I think you will find interesting. But why not take advantage of our free 30-day trial? That way you will see multiple markets updated daily and judge if money making charts can improve your trading performance. To get your free trial now, go to www.moneymakingcharts.com. Thanks for listening. Money Making Charts is an educational service designed to teach traders to interpret the multiple trading tools in the charts. All information is provided for demonstration and educational purposes, not for trading purposes or advice. This is not a solicitation of any order to buy or sell, but is a market view provided by Money Making Charts. Please read the following disclaimer.